Hey guys, welcome to MathCube with me Navya. In this video, we are going to learn about consistent and inconsistent solution from pair of linear equation from two variables from 10 CBSE. So before moving on to the sum, we see a quick glance about what is consistent and inconsistent solution. So consistent solution has two types in it, consistent independent solution and consistent dependent solution. First, we see about consistent independent solution. So generally, there will be two different equation in it, but there will be only one intersecting point. So we can learn easily by looking at this rough graph. இதில் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு டூ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் இருக்குது, ஆனால் ஒரே ஒரு இன்டர்செக்டிங் பாயிண்ட் தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒரே ஒரு இன்டர்செக்டிங் பாயிண்ட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா இட் இஸ் known as consistent independent solution. So the formula of this type is A1 by A2 will be not equal to B1 by B2. Now the next type is consistent dependent solution. Here also we have intersecting lines, but there will be infinitely many solutions in it. That is, the first equation will lie exactly on the same line of the second equation. நம்ம கிராஃபில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு ஜென்ரலி ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் இருக்கும், அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் மேலேயே எக்ஸாக்டாக தி அதர் ஈக்குவேஷனும் லை ஆகும். ஸோ இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா வில் ஹாவ் so many intersecting points, so we'll have so many solution in it. ஸோ இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா it is known as consistent dependent solution. இதை நம்ம ஃபார்முலாவை எப்படி எழுதுனா A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and it's equal to C1 by C2. For the last type is inconsistent solution. What is inconsistent solution? அப்படின்னா there will be no solution for it. அதாவது there will be two different equation but they will never have any intersecting points in it. அப்படி எந்த intersecting pointsமே இல்லைனா it is known as inconsistent solution. So the formula of this type is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, now we see our first question. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So this can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we have to compare this with the formula ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we have two equation in this. So when we compare it with 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, we'll get a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to 5. So when we compare the second equation, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 7. We have to find whether it is consistent or inconsistent solution by verifying it in the formula a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2 and b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by minus 3 and it can also be written as minus 2 by 3. Next c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 7 and it can be written as 5 by 7. So we have a unique solution in this. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so it is a consistent solution. We have another model in the sum 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. So we can write it as 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 is equal to 0. It is equation number 2. Now we have to compare it with the formula ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So for the first equation we'll get a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 3 and c1 is equal to minus 11. So for the second equation, a2 is equal to minus 10, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to 22. Now we have to substitute in the formula a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So we'll get a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by minus 10. After cancelling it, we'll get minus 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by 6. So after cancelling it, we'll get minus 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 11 by 22. So we cancel it, we'll get minus 1 by 2. Since a1 by a2 and is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, we have infinitely many solution in it. Therefore, our system is consistent. Now we have another sum in this model, that is to find whether it is consistent or inconsistent, and if it is consistent, we have to obtain the solution in the graph. So we move on to our question. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So now we have to compare it with the formula ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So for the first equation, we'll get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to minus 6. So when we compare it with the second equation, we'll get a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 4. Now we have to substitute in the ratio of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So we get a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. So after cancelling it, we'll get 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 2, which can also be written as minus 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equal to minus 6 by minus 4. So it can be written as 3 by 2. Since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we have a unique solution. Therefore, our system is consistent. Now we have to obtain the solution in the graph. Before that, we have to find the solution for x and y from equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1, 2x plus y is equal to 6. I'm putting x is equal to 0. For 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6. 0 comma 6 is a solution. Now I'm putting y is equal to 0. For 2x plus 0 is equal to 6. So I'm getting x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. So 3 comma 0 is a solution. Now for equation 2, 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. Again I'm putting x is equal to 0. So 4 into 0 minus 2y is equal to 4. So y is equal to minus 2. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 is a solution. And next I'm putting y is equal to 0. So 4x minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. So 4x is equal to 4, x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So 1 comma 0 is a solution. So I'm taking 0 for x and y, but you can take any variable like positive or negative integers like plus 1 plus 2 or minus 1 minus 2 or anything, any number you can take, you'll get the same solution in the graph. Now we have to plot the solution of equation 1 in the graph. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 6, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. So draw a line. And next we have to plot the solution of equation 2, that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Again we have to draw a line. So here we are getting an intersecting point 2 comma 2, that is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So we have an intersecting point, therefore our system is consistent. In this video, we have learned about consistent and inconsistent solution and how to plot it in the graph. If you have any doubt, comment me on comment section. Subscribe our channel and like and share our video. Thank you.